Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's another plan with me in my Hobonichi Weeks book. This is the one in waffles from the bow and tie series, my favorite series from Hobonichi. And let me go ahead and show you the kit that we will be using today. So this is the last of the Halloween kits that I'm going to be used in my planner. I have used Halloween kits all throughout the month of October, and I'm going to show you that when I film my flip through. But let's go ahead and check out the kit that we are using. This one is in matte paper. This is in our matte bleached white, good for ballpoint or for gel pens. So it's called El Mundo es mi Familia, and this is inspired by the movie called Coco. I'm gonna be rewatching that on, what is this, Thursday. So as you can see here, it's very Dia de los Muertos, is that what it's called?
Yes.
Dia de los Muertos themed. Even the colors, it's so pretty. And if you like Coco, you're gonna need this kit. And so this is the first page. The first page has the date covers, the side strip or the strip sticker, checklist sticker, and then you have 3 labels, the dots, as well as all these decos. So much decos, you guys. I love this so much. This kit is life. My insomnia is back with a vengeance. So let's go ahead and start with our date cover-ups. I haven't actually filmed in a while. I have pre-filmed everything that you have seen in the last 2 weeks. That is because I've been very busy. My best friend is graduating soon, and she had her thesis defense last week. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this bottom bar. This is the left bottom bar. So you have the right and the left bottom bar. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to use them if this is your first time. Also, if this is your first time, hello, welcome to my channel. And if you would like some kits, go ahead and go to our website, paperjoyph.com, where we have all the goodies. I'm gonna go ahead and put this down here. This is your bottom bar for the right side of the page. You can also, if you choose, use this elsewhere. See? So this is the bottom bar of the right side of the page, but I've chosen to put it here instead. So you can do that as well. One of the most common questions, by the way, that I get in my channel and also on our FB page, paperjoyph on FB, is how thick is your planner? This is how thick my planner is. This is my other planner. This is my hedgehog, and I've only used my hedgehog for 3 months, 2-3 months, but I've been using my waffles since I got it early this year. So that is how thick it had gotten, and I do not mind at all. It hadn't fallen apart on me because it is Hobonichi. So as expected, very high quality book. And I think they know that when you start using the paper, even if you're just writing on it, that it will curl. So I think they have made sure that the binding is gonna be able to stand such abuse. And I am very thankful for that. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay down my checklist. And I'm hoping that it's not crooked. Not as crooked. It's fine. It's a little crooked. If you can see here, these are the dots. And the space in between that and here is different. But that's fine. For me, I'm used to that. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this strip up here. I have been doing that for a while. I really like the way it looks. It looks more cohesive. Like I'd use a kit, basically. And that is what it looks like. It's looking very, very pretty. And I can't wait to use the decos for this kit. For a while, I haven't actually used decos. Oh no, hang on. I'm gonna go ahead and line this with my micron. Did I do that last time? I think I did. Yeah, and it worked pretty well, and I'm very pleased. So So I'm gonna go ahead and take my Pigma Micron in 02. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and write 29 here. 29, and then hello. Well, this is Halloween. Hello, November. I didn't do that in my other planner as of yet, but I should. Oh, by the way, so this is the original bleached white. It is in matte. We are going to be coming out with a bleached white that is glossy, which is this in the last plan with me. I actually don't know which one's going to come up first. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like when you write on it. And then smudge proof. Again, 31. Smudge proof. Okay, I'm gonna use my Coiled to show you because I forgot. I'm sorry, I haven't filmed in a while, and so again, 3. Wait, hang on. Let me see if I can grab. If anyone is using those thicker pens, like thicker gel pens like this one. So sorry, this is the Papermate Inkjoy Gel 0.5. I haven't actually tried. Oh, good. So no, I'm gonna put dot there. Just a smidgen. Just a smidgen. So you have to wait a little bit, otherwise all the others are okay. Can you see? Sorry, it's a little dark. So compare that with how that goes on. So even the pens look brighter. Okay, so the Coiled smudges a little bit. So you have to wait just a tiny bit. Not as bad. Not as, perhaps not as long as the Papermate Inkjoy wait time, but definitely if you are using a fountain pen, it's not ideal because it bleeds. At least in my standards, I don't like it. Wow, this plan with me is long. Okay, so going back here, I am fuzzy with my fountain pens and the paper that I use with my fountain pens. That is one of the reasons why I picked up a Hobonichi anyways. So I can use my fountain pen at in a really good paper that it wouldn't feather. It feathered. So the paper that I showed you earlier, the one that's gonna be out on Black Friday, and it's gorgeous. I'm gonna make a video just on that later. If I'm going out of frame and I'm still talking, I'm sorry. I'm gonna make a video on that paper. I'm just showing you it today, but it needs a video on its own, and that's what we're going to do. I'm very excited for that paper. That paper is really amazing, and I feel like I'm now more confident with choosing any picture that I want for my picture kits. So I am very pleased, because that's the problem with picture kits. I really need to play with the colors and choose the nicer photos, but now I think with that paper I can basically choose anything, and I cannot wait to show you all of it in a dedicated video. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and put down our script stickers as per usual. When I was just beginning my journey with the planner world, I did not really like glossy because of all the glossy papers that I have seen. It's not my favorite. But now I'm gonna put goals down first. Now I'm gonna take her. Oh no, wait. Okay, yeah. I'm gonna put this little heart thing here. So I wasn't a big fan of glossy paper, but now that I have my own glossy paper and that it is fountain pen friendly, and then I started to love it. Okay, I'm gonna put notes down here. I'm gonna put today and to do somewhere else in separate pages this time. Usually I put to do on top of the checklist bar, but I'm not gonna do that. So what's gonna happen is that the to do that I write down here are to dos that I've written down before the day itself, but on the day itself I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have a lot of to-dos still that I want to write down, and this is where they are gonna go. So that is the logic of that. So I'm gonna put this somewhere here. Hello. Okay, I'm gonna put a label sticker down and put in the last of the tiny stickers. Oh no, hang on. I'm gonna put this little guy over there, and then I'm gonna take another label sticker. I'm gonna put it on Friday and Thursday. No, maybe I'll just put this on Saturday. Remember that my releases, I announce it, I actually convert it to Eastern Standard Time, but when I plan, it's my own time, if that makes sense. So this is for Halloween. I'm gonna put this here. Oh no, yeah. Oh no, that's not Halloween, that's November 1st. That's Day of the Dead or All Souls Day? What is it? Forgot. So Wednesday is Halloween, and then this day is All Souls Day or something. Okay, that's a big day here in my country. Ooh, it's fine, because this is the day when all the families go to cemeteries to visit their loved ones. And I only have a few things left. I think I'm gonna put this here. Oh, that's too cute. That's too cute. That's too cute. There we go. And then I'm gonna take this big sticker and put it here. No, put it here. Just for kicks. No, probably here. What are you doing? Okay, we're good. There we go. And now I only have the dots left. I'm gonna go ahead and put it down here on this side. Ooh. I haven't been using these dots lately, but I want to start using it again, because if I feel like it's not working, I'm gonna have to take it out of the kit. So you know our shop motto, no sticker left behind. We don't like, or rather we make the kits with just enough stickers and just enough variety for you to use in one spread. I don't like to have kits that have leftover stickers. I just don't see the point. There we go. And last few ones. Friday. And then weekend. Great. That looks good. Oh my gosh. Okay, our spread is done. 15 minutes later, and these are my empties. Empty 1, empty 2. Once again, if you like this kit, go ahead and go to paperjoyph.com. So let me go ahead and show you up close what we have done for today. So we have this bit here, super cute. Oh my gosh, so amazing. I love it so much. And then the bottom bar, the big bottom bar. Then that's our goals. notes to do. Ta-da! So thanks again for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planning videos, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you want anything that you have seen here, go ahead and go to my website, paperjoyph.com. We are also on Facebook and on Instagram, and our handle for both of those are both paperjoyph. And I'll see you in my next video. Happy Halloween! Bye-bye!